With ShareSync, business managers and IT administrators have control over all their ShareSync users, settings, and data. Manage users and settings directly in the same control panel you use to manage all your other cloud services. With one click, you can enable ShareSync for existing users on your account. Or you can add new users and assign ShareSync and other services all at once. Once ShareSync is up and running, you can see how much storage an individual is using and which devices they've configured. If a user's device is lost or stolen, you can wipe ShareSync data off a device with one click. Smartphones, tablets, even laptops and PCs. You can set the retention policies for versions and deleted files for your whole account. You can also view and upgrade your account storage. Perhaps most important, when an employee leaves the company, you can immediately revoke their ShareSync permissions, so they no longer have access to critical business data. ShareSync also offers admin file management features that provide account owners with the ability to view and manage their users' file spaces. Your ShareSync data is encrypted at all points, with at-rest and in-transit encryption. And we back ShareSync with a 99.999% uptime service level agreement. Admins can also control backup settings through our robust control panel. Learn more about that in our Admin Backup and Restore video. Contact us to learn the power of ShareSync's full feature set.